Welcome to this step-by-step guide on getting set up with ShareASale. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of signing up, browsing and joining affiliate programs, and generating affiliate links. Plus, make sure to use the link in the description below to sign up with my affiliate link and get started with ShareASale today. Step 1. Sign up for ShareASale. First, go to the ShareASale website and click on Affiliate Sign Up at the top of the page. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information, including your name, email, and business details. Don't forget to add your website or social media accounts and choose your preferred payment method. Once completed, click Sign Up to create your account. Step 2. Browse programs. Once you've been approved and logged into your ShareASale account, it's time to browse available affiliate programs. Use the Search Merchants feature to find programs that fit your niche. There are thousands of merchants to choose from, so take your time to explore and find the best ones that align with your audience and interests. Step 3. Join programs. Once you've found programs you'd like to promote, click Join Program on the Programs page. Some programs may require additional details, such as how you plan to promote their products. After applying, you'll be notified when you're accepted, and you can begin generating your affiliate links. Step 4. Get your affiliate links. Once you're accepted into a program, go to the Links section in your dashboard. Here you can generate your unique affiliate links. You can also find banners and other promotional materials to help market the products. Copy your affiliate link and save it for easy access when sharing with your audience. Step 5. Promote your affiliate links. Now that you've got your affiliate links, it's time to start promoting. Share your links on your website, blog, social media profiles, or email newsletters. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Be sure to track your performance in your ShareASale dashboard. And that's it. You're now ready to start earning commissions with ShareASale. Don't forget to use the link in the description to sign up with my affiliate link and kickstart your affiliate marketing journey today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.